Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are following the adequate COVID protocols and staying safe at home. So, just 5 days to go for the much awaited CA final exams. And I know that many things might be going into your head. There might be some kind of nervousness and anxiety, but at the same time, you might be excited as well. Ki at last I'm able to give the exams and I would be able to deliver whatever I've learned. So remember, this is the most crucial part now before your exams. Just hardly 5 days. Remember, let me give you an example. Suppose India is playing Australia in a cricket match and they do all the prior activities which are required so as to get in good rhythm and good shape for the matches. That is following all the daily their practice routine, planning, strengths and weakness analysis of themselves and also the opponent team, involving in practice matches as well, practicing hard, sweating it out in the nets. They've done all this part. Now that just 2 days to go for the World Cup match and it's time for them to deliver, वो सब पहले की हुई मेहनत वरना पानी में जाएगी, बोलते ना. So it does not matter, to be honest, कि how well or how efficient you had prepared and planned your studies or whatever the task you want to do, unless and until you are able to show them on paper, to show the people the results of the same. So the same is applicable for you guys. You might have studied very well, you might have followed adequate daily routine, the planning, the implementation part, the revisions, practice, etc. But if you are not able to deliver in those 3 hours of the exam, then it would be of no use. I have seen cases, I have seen instances in which students had prepared well before their exams, but owing to some kind of challenge, maybe anxiety or nervousness or pressure, they succumbed to pressure, they fell prey, and they weren't able to deliver properly in the exams. Therefore, it is very important for you to put the foot on the accelerator. Take charge of your life. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Let's go for it. And give your 100% for the exams. And remember, there might be people or your colleagues around you who might have created this hype कि अरे सी ए एग्ज़ाम्स है यार, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, अभी सिर्फ गिन चुन के 4-5 दिन बचे हैं. सो एंड ऑल दैट negative and very unpleasant kind of environment many people or many students, their colleagues would create. But it is up to you to stay calm and composed in these crunch moments. You know why MS Dhoni, our ex-former Indian captain, is considered great as the Captain Cool? That is because of his pressure soaking ability, the ability to stay calm and composed in difficult and crucial match situations, and ultimately bringing our team in a better position to win the match. See, it is very important to capitalize on these small moments which create a big difference in our lives. So guys, give your 100%, go into your exams with a bang, and most importantly, clear the exams gradually and make your parents, family, your relatives, your cousins, your friends proud of your achievement and success. All the best, guys, and remember my mantra: there is a reason for my existence. No longer will I live in ignorance. I am here to make a difference. God bless you. Goodbye. Thank you. See you. All the best. Jai Hind.